It's my birthday today. 62 years young. Check me out. Woke up this morning. I had to thank God for all of my beautiful blessings. And then I stepped on the scale. And so far, I'm down 43 pounds total. And I'm happy about that. Today is a special day because God has given me another chance to get it right. He's good all the time. This is just going to be a short show this week because I got things to do and places to go. But watch this little short video as I juice in my baby Granny Smith apple cocktail. And I'm going to show you how I dress it up. Notice that red apple in my basket of green apples. That's me, unique and different. The first. Okay, this is my beautiful Granny Smith apple juice. Normally when I juice juices, I just juice vegetables. So this is quite a treat for me today. And Jay, come on, move over. Act like you know me. I'm going to put a maraschino cherry in here. 2 because they're so little. And I'm going to put a Granny Smith apple slice right on the top. Because Jay's birthday is Monday, so he deserves to have a drink too. I'm going to give you that one. And this is it. Happy birthday to me and happy birthday to Jay. Come on, move over. Move over. Watch what you're doing.
Just doing. Cheers. Happy birthday.
This is delicious.
Dang.
You don't even need any vodka in this.
No, taste is good.
And ice cold. Delicious. Happy birthday. Thank you. So I'm going to enjoy this day. After we have our dinner, we're going to go bowling. And next year, I'll see you guys in Africa. And don't you ever forget that the new sexy is being healthy, baby.